All dancing behind her.
Yeah. So we're on top of the volcano. Malcolm, Katrina, Danny, Julio, Gabby taking pictures with her ski glasses on. And it's a beautiful view. You got the city of Pasto down below us.
And we
mountains.
are next to the antennas.
And we're next to some giant antennas. So I don't know what they're used for, but they're beeping. And if we look over that way, that's where the farm is. One of those mountains. Oh, this is spectacular. Awesome. Hey Mom, turn around. Hey.
Hey.
Say, I'm in Pasto, Colombia, South America.
I'm in Pasto, Colombia, South America.
Alright.
And it's raining.
And it's raining. We're on a volcano. Too cool.